The bent row looks like this. So for the bent row, keep your hands outside of your hip width. So it's just a little bit, maybe a fist width wider than each of the hips. Your back's going to stay nice and straight, so your belly button pulls in towards your spine, chest is lifted. You're going to fold yourself forwards only as low as you can maintain a straight back. So if you find that you're super tight and you start rounding, then don't go all the way down. You might only go halfway and then row from there. It's a partial range, but I don't want you rounding your spine. Ideally, you get down to close to horizontal and then row from there. In this position, your shoulders are depressed, so pulling down towards your hips. You're retracting the shoulders, so squeezing them together, and then pulling the elbows up towards the ceiling.